What is the CCNA certification?
The CCNA stands for Cisco Certified Network Associate. It's an entry-level certification offered by Cisco that validates your ability to install, configure, operate, and troubleshoot medium-sized routed and switched networks. The CCNA is recognized worldwide and is often seen as a foundational credential for anyone interested in networking or starting a career in IT infrastructure.
Key topics covered by CCNA.
The CCNA certification covers a range of networking concepts. Topics include network fundamentals, IP connectivity, network access, security fundamentals, automation, and programmability. You'll also learn about basic network troubleshooting, managing network devices, and understanding how data travels across a network. The broad scope helps you build a strong foundation for various networking roles.
Benefits of earning CCNA.
Earning a CCNA can open doors to entry-level IT jobs like network technician, support engineer, or system administrator. It proves your skills to employers, often increasing your job prospects and potential salary. The certification is also a stepping stone to more advanced Cisco credentials and can help distinguish you from other job candidates.
How to prepare for the CCNA exam.
The preparing for the CCNA exam typically involves studying Cisco's official materials, using online courses, and practicing with labs or network simulators. Many candidates join study groups or take practice tests to reinforce their knowledge. It's important to understand both theory and hands-on tasks. Dedicate regular time to review each topic in depth.
Getting started on your CCNA journey.
To start your CCNA journey, register for the CCNA exam through Cisco's website. No formal prerequisites are required, but basic understanding of computer networks helps. Begin by gathering study resources, setting a study schedule, and exploring mock exams. Consistent practice and focus on core topics will best prepare you for CCNA success.